What we are going to do today is we are making a splint for bruxism, clenching and some other parafunctional habits. So this is the model we have made from impression of the patient. This is the model we are going to make a splint. The splint we called as night cart. So we have 3 mm sheet. So we made with a vacuum former as used by many other technologists, dental technologists, technicians. So keep with us. The machine we called as dental vacuum former. We place the dental cast here like this, and we open this and place the sheet. I have no other option. So we place the sheet here like this and close it. Going to be somewhat difficult as I have no other assistant or someone else that help me out. So we have placed the sheet here, a 3 mm sheet, and we have placed the model in the place. Okay. So we are going to just switch on. So we have placed the sheet and cast at its place and switch on. So now we heat the sheet and allow it to heat for a while. As soon as it becomes somewhat soft, so we can vacuum it. As the sheet is somewhat more thickness, 3 mm sheet. So it might take some time, some more time. So we'll wait until it becomes softened. Going to off the heat and making the So we allow it to cool a bit and then
Is there? And if you hear this and then go on with your back, go on with your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Please just rewind, let me shake it
She
to
love.
the max.
Bad man, she love. 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 Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them a dinner calf.
And if you hear this and then go on with your back, go on with your knees.